Next we have this question number 9, that is a total number of the lone pair of electrons in the given molecule, and you have been given this compound. So let us first draw this compound. Like we are having this carbon-carbon bond, we have this oxygen attached, then we have carbon, then there is this nitrogen attached like this, and this nitrogen having one hydrogen. So as you see, this nitrogen is attached to two adjacent carbons, this carbon, and one hydrogen. So it has formed 3 sigma bonds, and you can say that this nitrogen will be having remaining 2 electrons, because then only the octet of nitrogen will be completed, since it has 6 electrons in its valence shell, like in this case, since it has formed 3 bonds, and the left will be 2 electrons. It has 2 electrons, which means there will be one lone pair present on this nitrogen. On the other hand, we can say that this oxygen is attached to 2 carbons, so it is forming 2 OC bonds, and we can say that this oxygen is having 4 electrons now in its valence shell, and we can say that it is having 4 electrons left on it, 2 this and 2 is other one. So we can say that it is having 2 lone pairs. Okay, oxygen is having 2 lone pairs and it is formed 2 OC bonds here. Then only we can say that octet of oxygen will be completed. So total number of lone pairs, if we have to ask, we are observing that we are having 2 lone pairs present on this oxygen and there is 1 lone pair present on this nitrogen. So total it will be 3 lone pair of electrons. Our correct answer will be B, that is 3. Is it clear?